Welcome to a brief preview of the new InsideYolo intranet. As you may know, the organization has undertaken an effort to create an updated version of InsideYolo, utilizing the Microsoft 365 platform, Microsoft SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams. Before we preview the new intranet, let's first establish that one of the primary goals in this initial implementation is that the navigation, structure, and content of the current version of InsideYolo is preserved, and that everyone can access the information and documents that they're used to just as they do today. So while the new site may look a little different because it's mobile ready and ADA sensitive, its structure and the presentation of information is essentially unchanged. Let's start our preview with the home page and its navigation. The primary links to employee resources, departments, and even the eDirectory are still here. They're just displayed in a more consolidated manner. Mousing over departments gives us what is called a mega menu display that has been updated slightly, but is largely identical to the current version. Similarly, employee resources, a group of hyperlinks to popular pages and documents, has also been faithfully recreated. The eDirectory has been re-implemented. It now sources its information from Microsoft Active Directory, providing consistency, accuracy, and easier maintenance. Clicking on Help Desks provides a great example of how the navigation and content is essentially the same, but in many cases the page layout and information presentation has been enhanced. The Facility Directory has been recreated, presenting the same information with the same layout. The listings of the individual line items for the locations are now represented as a SharePoint list. Selecting an item to learn more about it offers several new options, including the ability to easily move this information into Microsoft Office applications like Excel, Word, or even PowerPoint. A series of brief educational videos are being placed in the new intranet to demonstrate some of these new capabilities and procedures available to you. The primary navigation of the department sites and their pages operates the same way that it always has. You mouse over departments and then go to a department's chapter header page or other page in that department simply by clicking on the link. Once you are in a site, the left-hand navigation will show you the contents of the site that you are currently in, just like before. Some of these links on the left-hand side are expandable by clicking on the arrow, similar to how clicking on the plus mark expanded available pages in the previous version of InsideYolo. Moving back to the home page, the message banners on the previous InsideYolo are now represented using what Microsoft calls a hero web part that basically does the same thing. The images here will be updated frequently and present the same types of information with links to pages that can explain the topic further. The title blocks beneath the image banners on the previous InsideYolo have been recreated to the right of the hero web part and deliver you to the same resources. Below the welcome message is an area that displays announcements, news, and events. News items, when clicked on, will open to display additional information. Events, when selected, will open to display the details of the event and provide you with an option for adding it to your own personal calendar. Now that we've covered how the original InsideYolo has been recreated, let's touch on how this new intranet based on the Microsoft platform is different. In the past, InsideYolo operated as a content dispensing intranet, where information was organized departmentally and all of the information was accessible to all employees. This meant that information intended for a department's own employees was necessarily mixed with information intended for all employees. The new intranet revitalizes this structure. While we retain the department-specific pages open to all employees, ensuring continuity and familiar access to crucial information, we've also introduced departmental private sites. Alongside the site that is open to all employees, each department now has a private site that is exclusive to their respective department members, fostering a secure environment for collaboration, document preparation, and facilitating departmental initiatives. In conjunction with this, there's also an integrated Microsoft team dedicated to each department, enabling private departmental communications and collaboration. This transformative approach not only preserves the informational aspects of the old intranet, but provides an opportunity for departments to begin utilizing private collaboration, content creation, and communications to facilitate their operations. More information and updates will be provided as we approach the launch date for the new intranet.